Good morning, children. How are you all today? It's Monday morning. You know what is Monday? Monday is the first day we come to school. Saturday, Sunday will be generally holidays, and on Monday we come to school. And like this, there are 7 days. You know how many days we have? 7 days. Can you sing with me? Come, join. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, there are 7 days in a week. Saturday, Sunday will be a holiday always, and Monday we come to school. But now we have lockdown, so we don't have school. It's okay, but very soon when school opens, you'll all be coming on Monday to school. Okay, so today is that Monday. Seriya? Okay, and today we are going to work with the sandpaper letters. Nyabarka? Sandpaper letters. And the first sound that we learned was snake, soap, star, sit, stand, socks. Yeah, so many words you would have come across with the sound. You will hear in between and also at the end. Okay, like bus, kiss. Yeah, you can hear at the end. Okay. Now that you have learnt about, we are going to, and you would have already worked it out in your workbook also. Have you all worked it out in your workbook? Yeah, very good. Now we will be learning the next letter, that is A. Can you say what is this? A. Repeat with me. A. Where do you hear A sound? Like for example, I'll say one word. You see if you can hear A. உங்களுக்கு அதில் A சத்தம் கேட்குதான்னு பாருங்க. Airport. A. Airport. You hear it? Okay. Let's say aeroplane. Aeroplane. A சத்தம் கேட்குதா? Okay. Let's say apple. Apple. அதில் do you hear A sound? Okay. You wear on your head something. Cap. Cap. Now cap ன்னு சொல்லும்போது in between நடுவில் do you hear A? Cap. Yeah? Cap. Then let's say I'm going to roll out the mat. 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 Do you hear A sound in it? Yeah? So this is how you write A. That A sound what you learnt now, A will be written like this. Watch closely how I am going to trace the sandpaper letter A. I'll start from here. A. Make a circle, straight standing line. Make a circle, go up, standing line. A. Circle, go up, standing line. A. Okay. Now in your sand tub, how will you write it? How will you write it? See? Make a circle, standing line, A. You see that? Let's do it one more time. Make a circle, up, standing line, A. Okay? This is how you write A. Okay? Now, I have some pictures for you where you will have the sounds in it. Okay, let's try going one by one. Apple. You hear an it? Apple. Oh, next one. Arrow. Arrow. What is this? Arrow. உங்களுக்கு arrow சொல்லும்போது சத்தம் கேக்குதா? Arrow. Good. Next one. Ant. 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 You can hear and that. Okay. Next one is, wait, let me take a indicator. Next one is, look at this girl. How is she? Angry. Is she looking angry? Yeah? Angry. So when I say angry, do you hear an it? Angry. Kekkuda? Okay. So when I say angry, you hear an it. Next one. Astronaut. Astronaut. Do you hear a in astronaut? Astronaut. Who's an astronaut? Who's astronaut? The man who goes to the moon. Ilya? He goes up in the sky in the rocket. So they wear this dress so that they can go into the sky in the rocket. We call them as astronaut. Some of you, when you grow up big, you will say, I want to become an astronaut. Remember on dress up day, what all you came as? Some of you came as teacher, another one came as a fisherman, another one came as a chef. Leah, Arnav came as chef. Then Jessica came as, what did she come as? She came as a plumber. Correct? And Kyle, what did she come as? She came as doctor. Yeah. And did anybody come as an astronaut? Nobody came? Okay, next time when we have a dress up day, we'll see who will come as an astronaut. Seriya? Then we have alligator. Alligator. What is this? Good. Do you hear a when I say alligator? Kekudilya? Good. And look at this one. What do you see here? Animals. So many animals. So when I say animals, do you hear an? Animals. Good. Next one is an axe. Axe is one weapon which they use for cutting. Maram vetradukku carpenter kaiyila they will be having one axe and they will use it for cutting wood. Okay? Axe. So when I say axe, you will hear a in it. Next one is anchor. How many of you have seen anchor? Anchor na enna? Anchor, have you seen it in a ship? You would have seen this in a ship. They will be having a drawing of it or they will be having it hung up in one place. This anchor is used for stopping a ship. When a ship is going in the water, you want the ship to stop in a place and not move. அது எங்கேயுமே போகக்கூடாது. Because the waves will be always going இல்லையா? பீச்சில் நீங்கள் பார்த்துருக்கீங்க இல்லையா? The water will be moving. So you don't want the ship to move. அங்கேயே it has to stay. It should not move means the captain of the ship will drop this anchor. Anchor எடுத்து he will drop it into the water and the ship will stand there itself. Okay? And they want to go, what they will do? They will pull the anchor back into the ship. சரியா? So, anchor. When I say anchor, உங்களுக்கு a சத்தம் கேக்குதா? Anchor. You hear it, right? Okay. So, let's go one more time quickly. Apple, anchor, arrow, ant, angry, alligator, astronaut, axe, animals. Okay? Now I want you to think about more words that you might come across where you will be hearing the sound a. For example, I will say I had idli and chutney. Idli and chutney, or bread and jam. So when I say and, உங்களுக்கு sound கேக்குதில்லையா? And, correct? Yeah. So listen to more conversation that your mummy and daddy will be talking to each other or to somebody else or to you, and you listen to the and sound, a sound. Okay? Will you all listen? Okay. And how will you trace it? Circle, up, down, a. Circle, up, down, a. Now that you have known how to trace and a, every day I want you to trace it in the sand tub. Every day. Daily I want you to trace s and a. Okay? If you come to school, Miss Juno will make you trace. I will make you trace in this, I will make you trace in this, and I will make you trace in many other materials that we have. Okay? And that is how you practice it. Okay, children? So keep practicing. I will meet you in the next video with something interesting. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.